The company has sent you an offer letter, you read it, felt relieved and said yes immediately in excitement. That single moment may cost you around 3 to 5 lakhs for the next few years. Most of you believe that negotiating will cancel your offers. But after interacting with so many HR professionals, here's what actually happens. If you are not negotiating at all, you're deciding your base salary to be very low on which bonus, hike and other offers in the coming years will be calculated. So here is the one polite question that you can ask. Thank you for the opportunity, sir. I'm genuinely excited to join this role. But based on the research and the value I can bring to the organization, is there any flexibility to discuss regarding the compensation? And that's it. No ultimatum, no aggression, just one calm professional question. If companies have something better and if they really want you, they will come back with something better, or else they will at least tell you the reason why they can't give you the hike. Now just imagine that if you're able to crack just 3,000 rupees per month on your base salary, that itself accounts to rupees 36,000 for 1 year alone. And for the rest of the few years, every hike, bonus and other offers will be calculated on this updated base salary. So ask yourself this question, that what is stopping you to ask this one question that can help you explore many such negotiating possibilities. And don't forget to follow me for more such career and salary tips.